About E minor bar shape. The first bar shape that you'll learn is the E minor bar shape. It looks like this. Since bar shapes are movable shapes, you can slide the exact same shape up and down the fretboard to play loads of chords. So this is F minor, F sharp minor, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor, A sharp minor, B minor, C minor, C sharp minor, D minor, D sharp minor, E minor, and F minor. You'll learn all about these chord names later, but for now, you just need to know that they are all played with the same bar shape. So learn this shape, and you'll be able to play 12 chords with it. It's pretty awesome, huh? In the next lesson, you'll practice on getting your ring finger and pinky into the right position. And later, you'll also add your index finger to play the full E minor bar shape.